Now let us know about the inventory combo in detail. Initially go to the inventory settings, finally go to the combo. This is the inventory combo screen. We can add the inventory combos by using this screen only. Here we can view the inventory combo details by clicking on the view icon. See. And we can update the inventory combo details by clicking on the edit icon. See. Here we cannot update the price value. Except this field we can able to update all fields. Right now I am updating the quantity. At final click on the submit button. See, we had successfully updated the data. Here we can search the inventory combo in the search area. See. And we can add inventory combo by clicking on the add inventory combo button. Coming to combo name, here we have to enter the name of the combo. It means when we enter the book set of the particular class in the combo name, then we have to select how many items are there in that combo and we have to enter the quantity. Right now I am entering 4th class book set. Here select the item. Here enter the quantity. If you want to add more items, click on the plus button. Again select the item. Enter the quantity here. This is a process how we enter the items and quantity details. Coming to sale price, here we have to select total item price. Then automatically price will be updated. At final click on the submit button. See, we had successfully added the inventory combo details. This is the process how we add the inventory combo.